Magandang gabi po ng February 22, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 9 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658. 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng February 22, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng Sunday, February 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. 'Super Lotto 649 draw result ngayong February 22, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa Super Lotto 649 at andito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. Ultra Lotto 658 draw result ngayong Sunday, February 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa Ultra Lotto 658 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. See you again tomorrow, February 23, 2026 Monday for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto. And 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto, 655, Mega Lotto, 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here are my tomorrow's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, February 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of February 22, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.